Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install NVIDIA app because of this error code that is 0xE6000000. To fix it, you can go to NVIDIA website. The link is provided in the video description. It will take you to NVIDIA website. Now over here select your graphic card. Make sure that you select your graphic card over here. Once you select your graphic card, select your operating system and then click on Find. Now on this page you will find the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. Whichever is the latest GeForce Game Ready driver, click on View and then click on Download. Now let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, run this exe file, click on Yes to allow, click on OK. Now over here you have to select the option which says NVIDIA Graphics Driver and NVIDIA App. You have to put a check over here. Select this one and then click on Agree and Continue. You can select Express or Custom, whichever you want, or you can even select Custom. If you want Express, it will be Express, it will be fast, and then you can install the driver. Let the installation complete. Now once the driver is installed, you will see here, you can see Launch NVIDIA App and it is checked. So while installing the driver, it will also install the NVIDIA app. You can close this and you should be able to launch NVIDIA app. And here you can see the NVIDIA app is successfully installed. So that should fix the error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.